do it. If it is black, you shall do it. Like this. What is that here? It is your job. It is your job. This is what I declare. You have come to declare this. You declare? No, you come to declare this.
Let's continue with part 2. Those are the results of
We are all candidates here. We are all candidates. Sit. We are all candidates here. No, that's bad. You can't fight with the Prime Minister. We are all candidates here.
4 candidates. We heard Honorable Twinamasco Onesimus. We heard Honorable Kusima Godfrey. We heard Honorable Isa Agava Black. We heard Honorable Karuvanga de Gracias. I want to declare the results as follows. I, Biaruhanga Gonzaga, being the NRM Electoral Commission Returning Officer for NRM Primaries for the position of Constituency Member of Parliament in Kakomero District, hereby declare the results as follows. Honorable Twinamasco Onesimus, total vote is 19,762. Percentage 41.7%. Sima Godfrey.
No, police.
You can't.
Police.
You cannot declare him.
Yeah.
We have so many villages that have been signed by one person. I can't accept it. You can't. This is real total theft. Fraud. You can't. We are contesting. You told us to put our claims. What are you declaring?
What is the DPC?
No, what is the DPC going to do? What is the DPC going to do? Is the DPC always there?
What's the DPC going to do?
You told us that you need our claims. We are writing our claims. You're telling us that you're going to read. That's why we needed 19,000. Why is that complaint? Why?
You have been verified.
Yes,
you verified. You verified. Yes. What are you doing now?
What are you going to declare now? What?
Sorry to remember, I almost 20.
Almost everything. You got to do it. You know how much money we put in the election? So you want to tell us that we shall not do it. If it is black, we shall do it. Like this. What is that here? It is your job. It is your This is what I declare. You have come to declare this.
You declare?
No, you come to declare this. Ogenda kusasula milioni nkaaga bakuwa akalulu ka bwereere. Twala eri.
You declare for
Wasasula baba
We are not declaring a fact.
You declare for the public.
We are not declaring a fact.
These are the things that become common. This is the ones to declare. Be authentic. These are the things that become this one to declare that they are the winners.
Extra to declare. No, I'm not asking you for your opinion. I want the registrar to declare. Whoever has grievances will appeal.
I have declared Honorable Inamasco as the flag bearer for MOP Abalonzi East.
I'm continuing with
We are all candidates here. We are all candidates. Sit. We are all candidates here. No, that's bad. You can't fight with the Prime Minister. We are all candidates here. Because I defeated Aisha, so she's not happy. Because I defeated her candidate. We are all candidates. Who invited her? She's not good. Don't talk much, because even you
For Kakumbiro District Woman MP, we had 4 candidates. We had Honorable Nabanja Robina, we had Navasa Praise, we had Tusemeriwe Grace Batalingaya, we had Tibuliwa Hayeti Sali. I, Naruhanga Gonzaga, being the NRM Electoral Commission returning officer for NRM primaries for the position of woman member of parliament, Kakumiro District, I hereby declare the results as follows. Right Honorable Nabanja Robina has polled 1,649 votes, representing 83%. Navasa Praise has polled 2,163. Tusemeriwe Grace Batalingaya has polled 18,052, representing 14.7%. Tibuliwa Harriet Sally has polled 269, that is 0.2%. I therefore declare Right Honorable Nabanja Robina, who has polled the highest number of votes, representing 83%, as the duly elected NRM flag bearer for Kakumiro District Woman Member of Parliament 2025. Congratulations, Honorable.
Because it looks like a meeting when you 87.
Thank you. Yeah. After all this struggle, after being beaten, after being injured because of winning this election, now these are the results. Here, winning an election is like going through the eye of the needle. I thank God for this. Thank you. Okay? Okay?